Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain why your YouTube monetization is approved, but earnings are delayed, and what you should do step by step. Many creators get approved for the YouTube Partner Program and expect money to start instantly, but that's not how it works. Step 1. Understand processing delay. After approval, YouTube's ad system needs time to connect your channel to advertisers. It can take several days before ads fully start serving on all videos. Step 2, check AdSense linking. Go to YouTube Studio. Earn AdSense. Make sure your AdSense account is connected and verified. If AdSense isn't fully set up, earnings won't appear. Step 3, enable monetization on each video. Approval doesn't automatically turn ads on for old uploads. Open your Content tab, select Videos, and confirm monetization is enabled. Step 4, check for limited ads. If you see a yellow dollar icon, ads are restricted. That means fewer advertisers and lower earnings. Avoid sensitive topics and request review if needed. Step 5, look at audience and traffic source. If most views come from low ad demand regions, shorts feed, or external traffic, revenue will be low at first. Step 6, wait for the revenue reporting cycle. YouTube earnings don't update instantly. Estimated revenue can take 24 to 48 hours to show. Step 7, focus on new uploads. Fresh videos often perform better with ads than very old content. So if monetization is approved but money is delayed, it's usually AdSense setup, ad review, or normal system processing. Not a problem with your channel. Give it a little time, follow these steps, and revenue should start appearing. And that's why monetization can be approved but delayed in 2026. Like the video, subscribe for more creator tips, and I'll see you next time.